Yeah.
Alright, there you go. You wanna go in your car just in case?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I'm practicing, so that's up. This one.
Huh?
If I crash the trailer, that'll be dying.
Oh, that's great. I don't know. Huh? I said, I don't know. That shit was loud as fuck. I said, that shit was loud as fuck.
How did it look?
I mean, I don't know if the camera did it justice, but it looked pretty good. Because it looked like it was just like far away, but like you can see your ass just like, Alright. I think something hit me. I said go. Resume for this shit, just, yeah. Alright, here you go, Mr. Cameraman. Yeah, this will be interesting. So there's gonna be like a dash cam fucking footage of just...
Let me go around real quick, because I just want to make sure nobody's around. As long as we don't hit a trailer, we're good.
Yeah.
That's why I stood mainly over there.
I mean, you could tell. Evidence. Wow, this shit sounds fucking...
Yeah, the brakes, man.
See headlights? That's probably good.
Good, good.
I swear, this really just is a smaller version of the brown bag.
I'm not good with my righties yet. I'm only good with left. No, let's think left.
Next thing you know, we end up in a
hit the
fucking
pole.
bush. The pole looks like it got fucking hit. What is that? It's a truck.
Trying to go around the pole.
Nah, because it's like... Definitely Mexico. What is it, Tijuana?
Yep.
Yeah.
That was funny.
Yeah. Yeah, Mexico. This part of Mexico, there's a lot of English signs. You know.
Yeah.
So, yeah. American, Mexico, American.
How was your first experience?
That shit was hilarious. I only pictured. The funny thing is, like, as small as it was, I pictured it like. In my head, I was thinking. Well, to go figure. In my head, I was thinking it was bigger than it was. Like Crown Vic status. Yeah. Because I've seen videos of like Crown Vic doing the same thing. So I'm just like, oh, okay, so that's just smaller, but same shit.
It's fun, right?
Yeah.
Cameraman. Oh shit.